That was a dead end. Feel good over here though. I got a flat. No. So guys, I'm walking. I had popped my tire, as you can see. Had popped it. Cause I think I like put too much slime in it. I didn't mean to put that much slime. I had forgot it had like a measure how much slime you put in it. Yeah, so it like it popped it. I knew it was gonna pop it though, cause it felt heavy. Like yesterday when I was riding, it felt heavy. I just don't know. I was like, maybe that's just the road. But I was like, nah, should not feel that heavy. But yeah, so we're gonna go get my T-Wing. I'm gonna head to Walmart, get my T-Wing, and we could, yeah, but basically, yeah, head to Walmart. Almost there, y'all. But had to stop and get me an orange. You know, I don't mind walking either, but like, I ain't gonna lie, I walk fast, pretty fast, bro. But it is what it is. What he looking at? Part of my wheel. Everybody was looking at it. Embarrassing. I was embarrassed. It is what it is.